Okay, welcome back to my channel. For the next video is we talk about 10 way to make money. Okay, for the next is become a leader. The rest of cloud lending is just another explain of how to internet has shaken up practically every sector of the economy. Before, someone looking for a personal loan had to go to the bank, credit union, or pay a lender. If the person did have good credit, they have to deal with high interest rate if they are approved for the loan at all. Now, peer-to-peer or P2P leading websites match borrows the lender who are just regular people like you. Interest of taking the entire amount of from a single lender, a loan can be pulled from multiple lenders. As the borrowers pay back the loan, you will receive a potential of your investment back plus interest. Some popular P2P lending from platform are Propers, Performs, and Upstart. As with any investment, there are risks associated with P2P lending. The borrowers may difficult on the loan and leave you can and the other lenders in lurch. But if you have extra money earning a peanuts in a saving account, crowd lending could be a way to make some passive income. Next is start a streaming empire. It's hard to imagine the internet before live streamings become so widespread. Once it has restricted to gamers playing live and talking to their views. While gaming is still at the core of live streaming, you don't have to be a gamer to make money online as streamers. Creators of all kind are broadcasting their live across the internet from crossplays, making their customers on camera to groups of friends running a live Dungeons and Dragon season to just regular people talking about their lives. Income for streamers come from subscription, donation, affiliate marketing, advertisement, and third-party sponsorship. The most popular streaming site with tick, but other site like YouTube and Facebook offer user-friendly streaming tools. Similarly, social media apps like Periscope, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok also allow you to stream from your mobile. Okay, for the next is sell your creations. If you are creativity or artistic, there are so many ways to earn your money from your hobby. Etsy is the most popular site for selling handmade products like their purchase, wall prints, custom phone cover, sewing patterns. The list goes on and on. Well, whatever quickly waiting you make will probably find a home there if you are earn like artist looking to sell a print of your work, print on demand sites like Cafe Press, Pick. cartel, red bubble, and society 6 can simplify things for you by printing and shipping products whenever customer purchase. If you are rated skipping a marketplace and transaction fee and handle all aspects of the business yourself, e-commerce site like eBay, Shopify, BigCommerce, Sequence Place, and Wix can help you to set up your own online store, complete with payment processing. Amazon is also a great choice if you are interested in dropshipping. Okay, next is get support from your followers. Finally, if you are a creator of any sort, you can receive financial support from your followers to purchase your projects. Sites like Patreon allow you to set up a membership program with multiple tries so you can produce exclusive content for your subscribers that other people can see. If a great way of showing off works in progress and sketch or workshopping an idea with the help of your fans. Another popular site is OnlyFans, with the mostly known for non-safe for work content. However, the site is open to creators in any field. If you are rated receive money from a specific project, then crowdfunding is the solution for you. Site like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and GoFundMe let you create a project proposal with founding goal. Supporters can back you, and once you reach your financial goal, you reach your money, minus a central processing fee, with the processing to deliver to your bank. Okay, hustling, they are countless option to make money online, but you should always make sure you are dealing the Republic company. Beware of scam that ask you to make a large cash investment to purchase merchandise to sell. Also, without of client and customer who want to take advantage of you. Know what your work or product is worth and advocate for their for fair compensation whenever you can. It's possible to make money working a full-time job online and at home. Making your own way to the job online making will be hard at first, but it will be worth it. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.